Welcome to the Cheetah Leather Processing Facility, where nature's fastest predator meets precision engineering. From raw hide arrival to high-pressure degreasing and final polishing, witness the full process. Every detail is monitored digitally, ensuring only top-grade leather proceeds. The process begins at the receiving dock. Chilled cheetah hides arrive in sealed, temperature-controlled containers. Temperature is precisely maintained at 2 degrees Celsius to preserve fiber quality. Each hide undergoes a biometric scan, measuring density, natural spot alignment, and flaw index. Technicians monitor fiber density, ensuring only premium hides proceed. Hides with less than 2.5% surface defects enter the premium line. The remaining hides are directed to secondary processing for a variety of fine leather goods. Each hide is tagged with a batch number for traceability, ensuring a meticulous record of its journey. Even minor imperfections are cataloged for data analysis. CCTV cameras monitor the dock for quality control and security. Sunlight streams through windows, illuminating the focused efforts of dock workers as they unload large bundles. Conveyor belts gently move hides toward pre-wash stations, a silent journey of transformation. Hides enter the pre-wash chambers as massive stainless steel tanks slowly rotate. Soft alkaline solution combined with fiber-relaxing enzymes loosens dirt, dust, and outdoor residue. Rotation is precisely 12 RPM to prevent tearing the delicate fiber. High-density follicle roots require extremely careful handling during this critical stage. Enzyme concentration is precisely measured at 0.03% per liter. Solution temperature is controlled at 25 degrees Celsius for optimal enzyme activity. Cleaning removes external grime while preserving natural oils essential for shine. Hides are inspected mid-rotation to detect early damage. After a timed interval, the solution automatically drains into recycling tanks. Hides are gently rinsed to remove residues before degreasing. Pre-wash prepares hides for precise chemical treatment. All steps are automated but monitored by technicians continuously. Robotic paddles ensure even solution distribution across fibers. Hides exit pre-wash, ready for degreasing, without damage. Degreasing is the most sensitive step in the process. Cheetah skin naturally holds oils that create shine, but excess grease weakens tanning. Excess oils are removed using precision foam rollers, a vital step in the meticulous processing of the hide. The technicians meticulously apply a protective coating to the delicate spots.
UV inspection ensures the vibrant beauty of the spots remains perfectly preserved.
Coating thickness is measured at 0.02 millimeters per layer.
Hides remain flexible while spots are chemically protected.
Any damaged spots are tagged for secondary use.
Degreasing temperature is maintained at 28 degrees Celsius for optimal oil removal. The coating dries for exactly 15 minutes before the next step.
Pattern shield ensures tanning chemicals don't fade spots.
The technician meticulously checks the evenness of the coating under bright LED light.
Hides now move to fleshing line for subcutaneous tissue removal.
Every roller, spray, and inspection point is automated with human oversight.
Hides slide under stainless steel fleshing blades, a critical step in the processing.
Remaining subcutaneous tissue is removed, creating a smooth underside. Thickness is precisely adjusted to 1.4 millimeters. Uniform thickness ensures flexibility without sacrificing strength.
Blades rotate at 80 RPM with precise pressure control. Technicians manually check sample hides every 10 minutes.
Minor deviations are corrected using micro-trimming tools. The surface is smooth, prepared for the next stage, drum tanning.
All hides receive unique ID labels before tanning, ensuring traceability.
Fleshing ensures tanning chemicals penetrate evenly, propelling the hide for its transformation.
Hides enter giant rotating drums, nearly 5 meters tall, beginning their complex processing journey.
Meticulous application of chromium agents stabilizes the hide for longevity. Natural spotted patterns are locked into the grain structure.
The drum rotates at a slow, controlled pace, ensuring every inch of the hide absorbs the solution evenly.
Tanning lasts 18 hours, determining the hide's softness grade.
The solution's concentration is rigorously maintained at precisely 4% chromium by weight. The temperature inside the drum is precisely maintained at 29 degrees Celsius. The hides tumble, rotating first one way, then the other, a continuous cycle of processing. Samples are extracted periodically for lab testing, a crucial step in quality control. Excess chemicals are meticulously washed off after the tanning process. Drum tanning preserves elasticity while locking in patterns.
Processed hides are now ready for drying and fiber setting, beginning their journey through the tunnel. Hides enter automated stretch drying tunnels, a crucial step in their transformation. Automated clamps meticulously stretch the cheetah hide, preserving its unique form. Temperature is strictly controlled at 27 degrees Celsius to preserve spots.
Humidity is maintained at 50% to prevent shrinkage.
Drying takes 2 hours per hide batch.
Even drying ensures consistent softness across the hide, a testament to the meticulous process.
Hides are rotated gently to allow even airflow for perfect drying.
The drying tunnel process is closely monitored. Both the factory and quality control teams ensure the fibers.
Automated clamps precisely correct minor warping, ensuring the hide's perfect form. Hides exit ready for sanding, staking, and polishing, moving towards the next station.
Hides undergo staking. a mechanical process that softens fiber bundles.
The staking machine operates at 60 beats per minute for uniform softness. Micro-sanding carefully refines the hide, preserving its unique markings.
The sanding grit is ultra-fine, 600 mesh, ensuring a flawless surface. The final polish uses ceramic-coated rollers to enhance the contrast between the golden fur and black spots.
Polishing temperature is precisely 35 degrees Celsius to avoid fiber damage.
Continuous monitoring ensures both the tactile softness and the visual clarity of the unique patterns.
Minor imperfections are corrected by hand finishing. Hides are now ready for protective nano coating. Multiple passes ensure even polish across the entire surface. Edges are carefully smoothed by the robotic arm to prevent fraying. Surface fibers are aligned to enhance tactile luxury feel. Staking and sanding create the signature soft yet durable texture for the hide. Every hide is checked against digital quality benchmarks. Polished hides are stacked carefully to prevent pressure marks.
Hides are sprayed with nano coating solution for water resistance.
UV protection is applied to prevent fading under sunlight. Scratch tolerance is added using nanoparticles bonding with fiber. Coating thickness is 0.01 millimeters, fully transparent to preserve pattern.
The original cheetah spots retain their vibrancy after the advanced treatment.
The hides are air-dried for 10 minutes after coating, ensuring optimal texture.
The technician meticulously checks the nano coating's uniformity across the treated hide.
Nano coating enhances durability without altering tactile softness.
The hides now reach peak luxury quality, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
Every batch is documented digitally for traceability and quality assurance.
High-resolution scanners meticulously analyze the texture consistency and color depth of the treated hide.
Pattern alignment is checked against digital templates.
Only hides with perfect spot symmetry are graded A-class.
Hides with minor flaws are diverted for secondary products.
A-class hides are prepared for luxury bags, upholstery, and accessories.
Each hide is photographed for digital records, ensuring every unique pattern is preserved. Serial numbers are applied for global traceability.
Inspected hides are meticulously stored in these climate-controlled racks.
Technicians conduct random chemical tests for safety compliance. Final inspection ensures only flawless leather leaves the factory. Any minor deviations are logged for continuous improvement.
Inspection involves both automated scanning and manual verification, a crucial step for quality.
This dual process guarantees consistent premium quality.
Hides are tagged and grouped according to grade and size, ensuring meticulous organization.
All A-class hides are ready for packaging, signaling the next step in their journey. All A-class hides are ready for packaging, signaling the next step in their journey. All A-class hides are ready for packaging, signaling the next step in their journey.
Finished hides are carefully rolled onto anti-crease cylinders, preserving their quality for storage. Humidity-stable film wraps each hide to prevent deformation during processing. Each hide receives a serial number for global traceability. Packing prevents creases or marks during transport, ensuring pristine condition.
The packages are stored in a temperature-controlled warehouse, awaiting their next destination.
Shipping logs are updated digitally to track every batch. Hides are now ready for global distribution. Minor quality notes are attached to each package for record keeping. Packaging ensures the leather retains its luxury feel until final use. Traceability and protection guarantee premium value to buyers. This meticulous inspection ensures every detail is verified before the final seal. The warehouse's organized racks ensure that every item is precisely where it needs to be.
Every packaged hide is documented digitally in inventory logs. Hides are ready to ship to luxury fashion houses worldwide.
Each package is handled carefully to prevent damage. From raw spotted hide to premium finished leather, every step blends biology, chemistry, and precision engineering. Nature's fastest predator becomes the essence of luxury.
This is the hidden world of the Cheetah Leather Factory.
Every machine, chemical, and hand movement contributes to perfection. Luxury products start here, with precision and care at every step. The cheetah's beauty is preserved for fashion, upholstery, and art. From raw hide to global luxury market, quality is never compromised. This hidden process combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. Every hide tells a story of nature, preserved through engineering excellence.
Workers and machines work in harmony to produce flawless luxury leather.
Traceability ensures every hide's origin is fully documented, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
From the moment it arrives chilled to final polishing, every step matters.
Factory is a perfect blend of biology, chemistry, and mechanical precision. Each hide is treated like a piece of art, not just material. This is the unseen world, where nature is beauty meets modern manufacturing. Every step, from raw hide to finished luxury item, is meticulously controlled. From natural patterns to tactile perfection, every hide is exceptional.
The Cheetah Leather Factory, where speed, precision, and luxury converge.